Stop scrolling. The universe is not just big, it's violently, absurdly, incomprehensibly bigger than your brain is wired to handle. Right now, you're sitting on a planet that feels massive, but Earth is tiny. You could fit about 1.3 million Earths inside the Sun. And here's the pattern interrupt. The Sun is considered a small star. There are stars like UY Scuti that could swallow the orbit of Jupiter. That's over 700 million kilometers across. Already uncomfortable? Good. Stay with me. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, contains an estimated 100 to 400 billion stars. Scientists still debate the exact number. And that's just one galaxy. The latest deep sky surveys suggest there could be around 200 billion to possibly over 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. Yes, trillion. Now here's the controversy. What we call the observable universe is not the whole universe. It's just the part light has had time to reach us since the Big Bang, about 13.8 billion years ago. Because space itself is expanding, the edge of what we can observe isn't 13.8 billion light-years away. It's about 46.5 billion light-years in every direction. That means the observable universe is roughly 93 billion light-years across. And that's only what we can see. The universe has been expanding faster and faster due to something called dark energy. We don't fully understand it. In fact, about 68% of the universe is dark energy, 27% is dark matter, and only about 5% is normal matter, the stuff that makes stars, planets, and you. Let that sink in. Everything you've ever touched, seen, or loved makes up just 5% of reality. Now here's another mental shock. There are more possible combinations in a single shuffled deck of cards, 52 factorial, than there are atoms on Earth. And physicists estimate there are about 10 to the power of 80 atoms in the observable universe. That sounds huge, until you realize cosmic scales dwarf even that in other ways, like distances and gravitational structures stretching across billions of light-years in vast cosmic webs. But it gets stranger. The most distant galaxy currently observed, as of recent James Webb Space Telescope data, formed just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. We are literally looking back over 13 billion years in time. Every time astronomers point a stronger telescope into a dark patch of sky, they don't find emptiness. They find thousands more galaxies. Here's the real twist. Statistically, in a universe this large, with hundreds of billions of galaxies each containing billions of potentially habitable planets, the odds strongly suggest we are not alone. Yet we have zero confirmed evidence of extraterrestrial life. That silence has a name, the Fermi paradox. If the universe is this big, where is everyone? So next time you feel overwhelmed by your problems, remember, you live on a microscopic speck, orbiting an average star, in one galaxy among possibly trillions, inside a universe that may be far larger than we can ever observe. The universe isn't just bigger than you think. It's bigger than you can think. And if this just expanded your mind a little, make sure you follow, because if you don't, you might never find me again. Now tell me, do you think the universe is infinite, or are we trapped inside something even stranger?